Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove acne and make smooth skin in Photoshop. The first thing you want to do is select your image, duplicate the layer 2 times by pressing Command J or Control J on PC, make the top one invisible, convert our middle layer to a smart object, and then go to Filter, Noise, Median, select OK. Then go to Adjustment Layers, click Solid Color, and by typing 0, 0, and 50, you get this gray color. Press OK. Then you're going to convert it into a smart object, put it above our middle layer, and put the blending mode to overlay. Select your color layer, go to Filter, Noise, add noise, type in 8%. Then go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and put it to 1. Make your top layer visible, select it, put the blending mode to Vivid Light. Go to Filter, Other, High Pass. By holding Shift, select these 3 layers, pressing Command J, group them together, or Ctrl J on PC, go to Blending Options, hold Option, and adjust the underlying layer so you can see her eyes, nose, and features. Then by clicking this, create a mask. By holding Command and pressing I, you can invert it, and then just grab the brush tool, make it a little bigger, put the hardness to 0, and you can just draw over your acne. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.